Hey, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How's everyone doing? Oh, it's so good to see
morning,
you
ma'am.
all. I missed you all. And you know who missed us the most? Oh, Rushta, you couldn't hear a thing. I think you logged in a bit late. I'm sure you all could hear the video which I showed. Right? Yeah. So it's so good to see every one of you all looking fresh and shining. Mohammed, are you back? Are you still in Hubli?
Ma'am, I'm still at home.
Okay, right. So we'll come over there. Don't worry. Yes. So who missed us the most? Do you know that? Okay, Juveria says he missed us the most. Yeah, you know, it was Hamdan. I received a message that immediately the next day of the holiday, I received a message from his mother saying that Hamdan is already missing you all. You know, when is the school going to start? Am I right, Hamdan? Okay. Rushda, actually, the video was about the Legoland Hotel, right? What did you like the best about that hotel?
There are so many Lego.
Yes, Sumar. Where are you?
Ma'am,
I
I
can't
don't
see
like
you.
Legos.
You don't like Lego, Abdullah? You can make a fighter plane or a sword with a Lego.
Ma'am, it's
Don't
very
worry.
costly.
You know
Yeah.
what?
I know. 1,000 with this much box.
Oh, then you should have told your friend Rushda. She would have got it from States for you, right, Rushda? Abdullah, don't worry. We will go to Legoland Hotel and we'll make sure that you stay over here. Okay? Yeah. Right. So I like the treasure hunt part out there. That was very, very interesting. Okay. Now, today we'll be doing. I said,
Ma'am, but it told adults keep out.
yeah, that was the room for the children, not
Yes.
for the
So
hotels.
you liked it interesting, but you can't play it.
Oh, okay. Okay. We cannot play. No, of course I can
Because you
play.
are adult, that's why.
No, no, no. I'm still a child. I'm in rights group, so that's the reason it's all right. Yeah, I'm with you all right, rights group, so I can play. I'm just Yahya's age. Right. Yeah, yeah. Ibrahim hasn't come. He's all right. Ibrahim.
Ma'am, you broke the chain. He was not feeling well.
Okay. I hope he gets well soon. So Anas, Spider-Man, everybody good? Okay. Now today we're gonna talk about I'll give you a hint. Let me see how smart you are. Okay. Um. Okay. Okay. I have two Aisha Aziz. Okay. What do you think? Well, you know what? I didn't have time to make it, so I'm just improvising. What are we going to talk about today?
Bull.
Vikings.
Vikings. Vikings. Pirates.
Okay, I've got bulls. By the way, bananas are good for health, so please eat. Okay.
Vikings.
Vikings. Yes. Today we're going to talk about Vikings. Okay. So, are Vikings real or are they just fiction?
Real. Fiction. Fiction.
Fiction? Okay. So, what?
Vikings say they are myths. Some say they are myths and some say it is real.
Okay. So, these Vikings, do they really existed? Are they factual or
They used to exist, now they are extinct.
now they are? No, wait. I have Vikings among me also. See, Abdullah, just make your hair like this. Yeah, yeah. See, we have Viking out there. Look at that. Okay. All right. So Vikings are.
Ma'am,
Yes. Hamza, your voice is
ma'am,
breaking.
in How to Train Your Dragon movie, there are.
Viking.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. How to Train Your Dragon movie. Right.
Ma'am.
Yeah, go on. Hamza, I can hear you. I could hear you. Now you muted yourself, Hamza.
Yeah. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. In that also, Vikings were there, no?
Yes, yes. In that movie, Vikings were there.
And
So, and
the whole movie was posted about dragons and Vikings.
okay,
So it's
okay.
like the whole movie showing the
Oh,
history of Vikings only.
Very good. Right. So today we're going to do a bit about Vikings. Okay. Okay. Can you see the screen clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fantastic. Okay. So now, you know what? Usually, when I was in school, we were given the task of reading one paragraphs, and I used to find it very, like funny. Like, why does everybody have to read? But then now, when I've become a teacher and a mother, I realize reading aloud for children, for students, is very important. Okay. No, Hamza. Hamza, please, I'll have to stop your annotation. Do not annotate, please, Hamza. Yeah. Disable annotation for others. Okay. And here, drawings. Okay, fantastic. Thank you, Hamza. Okay. Now, so Vikings are not fictional. They are non-fictional. That means they are factual. They are real. All right. So, who were the Vikings? Okay. Anas, could you read the first paragraph, please?
Okay. The Vikings. The Vikings came from an area in northern Europe called Scandinavia. This area is made up of Norway, Sweden, and Denmark. They lived between 700 century and 1 1100 century. They made their living from agriculture, fishing, and trading, and they were fierce fighters.
Okay. Now, next, I would want, yes, Aisha Aga, could you read? Oh, what a coincidence. You asked me and I said that on your name itself. Go on, Aisha Aga.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Aisha Aga, please read.
The lands were the ma'am, starting or the continue.
No, continue it, please.
The lands where the Vikings lived were mountainous, and covered in forests. This meant making a living from farming was very difficult. Much of their food came from fishing along the Scandinavian coast. Many of the Vikings looked for an easier life in other lands.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, Umar, can you read?
The Vikings were expert boat builders. They built large open rowing boats that were pointed at each end. The boats were narrow and very long. This made them fast and easy to row. There was a usual crew of 60, taking turns of 30 row at 30 oars. These long boats were used for raiding and plundering along the coast of other countries.
Okay. Now we will have, okay. I think you all can see the Viking boat. Yeah, can you see it? Okay, so now, Aisha Kazi, can you read?
Yes, ma'am. Boats for trading were wider and had higher sides than long boats. Each boat could carry 4 or 5 tons of cargo, such as furs, and travel thousands of kilometers. Vikings traveled for
No,
across.
that's it. We'll go to Jovania for the next one. Can you see the way the boats are? Right,
Yes.
they have longer sides. Okay, yes, Juvenia.
Ma'am, why do they put their shields
Yeah,
outside the boat?
we'll talk about it.
To protect them from arrows.
Yes, we'll talk about that later. First, we finish reading and then we'll discuss about this. Okay. Now, Juvenia, if you could read further, please. Juvenia, we can't hear you. I think your headphones are not connected. Maybe just remove your headphones and Read, please. Yes, now we can hear you, Julie.
Vikings traveled from across the seas to trade and settle. Archaeologists have found the remains of Viking settlement in Britain, South Europe, Iceland, Greenland, and even as far as North America. No one is sure how many uh, ma- managed to travel such great distance as they had no chart or a compass to guide them.
Okay, managed to travel. Okay. Can I have the cool girl in shades? Where are your shades? Read the last one. I always save the last for you, yeah? Go on.
Some Vikings returned to their homeland, but others settled where they landed, farming and fishing to make a living. Their families and their animals often joined them in their new land.
Okay, great. Now, okay, what do you mean by crew? Come on, guys. We read the word crew.
Ma'am, a group of people.
Okay, a group of people. Any yes, Rashda?
Of 60.
Oh, how sweet. That's 60 people. Yes, Umar. Yes, Rashda, go on.
I was going to say the same thing Mohammed did.
Okay, Umar and you, wow, think alike. Anybody else? What do you mean by crew?
The meaning of crew is a group of people, more than one.
Okay, fantastic. Anybody else want to say anything else?
And a crew means the people that are traveling on a ship or a boat.
Okay, fantastic. That those who are traveling on the ship and the boat. Excellent, excellent. Okay. Yes, yes.
When crew means for something.
Okay. So people get together for something, for some particular task to be completed. Okay. Now, okay. And what do you think archaeologists do? Come on.
Archaeologists
They find ancient things.
artifacts.
Okay,
Old
okay,
things.
okay. Don't you think archaeologists are the ones who actually dig to know things about
They
history?
use a special brush and find artifacts.
Yes, you know, their work is to dig into the ground to find out about the history that still, like, you know, what has passed over. You know, the way they found fossils and all, that is the work of archaeologists. They find sunken ships at times. They find, you know, there are so many pots and utensils that the archaeologists find. Okay, so now Scandinavia. You know, Scandinavia is a group of countries, okay, that is called Scandinavian countries, and you have Norway, Sweden, and you even have Denmark in there. Okay, so now you know when the Vikings were there, they were from which country? They were from Scandinavian country, and it is 700 CE. CE means what?
Century.
Century. Anybody else?
Christ era, I think.
Yes, CE is your Christ era, right? That is the time you have BE, that is BC, that is before Christ, and Christ is Jesus, okay? So this is the Gregorian calendar. This is the Christian calendar that they have started, and wherein you have their days, you know, the way we have Hijri, like before Hijri and after Hijri. So they have their calendar started before Christ and after Christ. So 700 is Christ era. Okay. So now I think y'all have read this, okay, and I think y'all have understood. Yes.
The Norse people also were like the Vikings. Also, they also lived in the Scandinavian countries.
Okay, so now you know what? You have Vikings, Abdullah, you have Saxons, okay, and you have Celtics, okay. That I will ask you all to do it. Okay, is it Rashta? Yes. Okay, so I will ask you all to find more details about that because there were others also who ruled. Okay, Vikings are supposed to be very fearless people, very strong. Okay, and they were the ones who would be always on the boat. Their boat is special, wherein the sides are high, and of course they were fierce warriors as well. Okay. Yes.
Vikings are real.
Yeah, Vikings are real. That is factual information that you're getting.
Ma'am, there is also a game of Vikings.
Yes, I knew that, Mohammadi. You would say that only.
Assassin's Creed, ma'am. In
Ah.
that, you can choose the Vikings and then you have the boat and then you can ride the boat. And
Yes. Viking is always with the boat. Okay.
Troll.
Sorry.
There is even a game about Artugul series.
Okay, and that is also about Vikings? No, I don't think so. It's about Vikings.
Oh, that is about soldiers.
Aisha Kazi, can you read see over here? Archaeologists, the way where I have underlined, have found the remains of Viking settlements in Britain. Can you read that? See? Viking settlements in Britain, Southern Europe, yeah, Iceland, Greenland, and even North America. That means Vikings are real. Okay. Now we do a bit of quick exercising, you know, muscles. Your brain is a muscle. Did you know that, by the way? Is it or isn't it? Okay. So after holidays, it's gone for us. Let's do a bit of exercise. Okay.
Vikings are real or Vikings were real?
Vikings were real. Okay.
They're not now.
Now there are
anymore.
now there are warriors and soldiers.
They are not there anymore. You know the Vikings, Hamdan. Okay, come on, tell me. You choose the correct word. Come on. What is mountainous? Is it A or B?
A.
Fantastic. What is an expert? What is an expert?
Very good at.
Very good at.
Okay. What is plundering? Is it fishing or stealing?
All of something.
No. You just have A or B. Is it fishing or stealing?
Stealing.
Exactly. Plundering is stealing. Very good. You know, in those days, in fact, even when these there were different clans, okay, when in Scotland, you know, you had different clans, different tribes, and they would plunder and put the entire village on fire after stealing from them. Okay, remains means what? All of something or what is left of something?
What is left of
What
something?
is left of something?
Okay. You know, when, okay, you have these two phrases over there, made their living and used for raiding. Okay. So how did the Vikings make their living? I'll take it up for you to. Okay.
Agriculture, ma'am.
Agriculture and
By fishing and farming.
and trading.
Cargo.
Farming.
Over here. They made their living from agriculture, fishing, and trading, and they were okay. They were right. And used for raiding.
Boats. The long boats, ma'am.
Okay. They
Were
used
used for raiding.
and plundering. Okay. So now, okay, let's see how much you all remember. Okay. Where did the Vikings come from?
Scandinavian countries.
And what countries made up Scandinavia? Oh, I do have a Viking coming up now, Rashta.
Norway, Sweden, Denmark.
Norway, Sweden, Iceland.
Norway, Sweden, and Denmark.
Yes, Denmark.
Yeah, Norway, Sweden, and Denmark. Okay. And how did they? Okay, we know that. All right. Okay. Now, why do you think the longboats were pointed at each end? Why do you think that way?
To keep the boat balanced.
No,
Okay.
because it used to go faster. Can you ask it again?
Over here. In the B question 2 out here. This question, why do you think the longboats were pointed at each other? Aisha, you're correct as well.
Because they were fast. Because they were
Yes,
fast.
Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah, you're correct as well. Who else would like to answer?
Ma'am, so that they can make way to the sea.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. Yes. Anybody else? What do you think they were pointed at
So they
each
can
end?
run faster than the enemy.
Okay. Okay. Fantastic. Anything else? Anybody else wants to give an input about why do you think the boats were faster?
No.
Okay. Okay. What do you think the Vikings were expert at?
Ma'am, they are expert at agriculture, plundering, and fighting.
And which one did you ask?
Ma'am,
Boat making.
what they were expert at? The fourth one now. What do you think they were-
Agriculture, fighting,
Okay,
and
Abdullah.
plundering.
Yes, Abdullah.
Making boats.
Making boat. Excellent, excellent. Because if they need boats, so this is 1 point. Very good, brilliant answer.
That boats are one of the kind.
Rashta, what is the Viking stuff now? Tell me, please. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So, what do you think they would be experts in? Come on, whatever you read from there, tell me. What do you think they were expert in? Fishing, excellent. Then,
Making boats, fighting, protecting themselves.
yes, fantastic. What else? Anas, Hamdan, what do you think? Hamza, what else were they good at?
Ma'am, daring.
Okay,
They were good
very
at,
good. They were
fighting.
fierce. Yeah. Perfect fighting. They were good at fighting. Okay. And they were daring. That means they were courageous. They were brave, fierce warriors. Okay. Now, we will go a bit further. Okay. You have something like a suffix. What is a suffix? I'm sure everybody knows. What is a suffix? Yeah.
The ending of a word, three
Yes.
letters ending of the word.
Okay, fighting and protecting others. Actually, the fighting is right, Aisha Aga, but they weren't protecting. They were used to plunder and steal, you know, actually. Okay, so steal. They would steal. Okay, so suffix is something wherein a word, when you have a word, okay, so the word is divided in two parts. You have your prefix and you have your suffix. Okay, so suffix is wherein it's the ending of the word. Each word has a ending. Now, when I said ending, so ing is your suffix. Okay. So if I say
And ma'am, prefix must be the beginning of
the beginning. Okay.
word.
So each word will be that. So today we're going to do about suffix. Okay. Many times, okay, you might be having a word wherein the word will be the initial, the prefix would be the same. The initial part of the word, the beginning of the word is the same, but the suffix is different. Okay, the suffix might be. Okay. So, example, you have dig. Okay, you have dig, dig, dig. So you have a suffix digger, right? And you have a suffix digging. So again, you have two different suffixes. Right, you have something like say found. Okay, so you have a founder, er is your suffix, and you have foundation, again that is your suffix. So what happens is there are words, right? The beginning of the word will be same, but the ending, the suffix might be different. Can you think of any words like that?
Swim.
Can you think of? Yes, Umar?
Swim.
I'll give you some examples more, and then maybe you can.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, plunder, plundering,
Wow, that's good, Abdullah. Plunder and plundering. Excellent.
Swimming.
Writer.
Swimming.
Yes, swimmer and swimming. Excellent. So here, can you see? Wow, I don't need to give you all examples also. So you do have different suffix, okay? So suffix is a word ending. Okay. So here you have invasion and invade. Yes, Juveria, tell me.
If suppose I say chemist, then it will be chemister and chemisting.
Yeah, but then that's a new word in your dictionary. Yeah, so it's okay. Right, Juveria, don't worry. We'll keep on finding new words. Okay. So suffix is, that means the word ending. The word ending will always be. You can have the same beginning of the word, but like it could end into something else. Okay. So like you have jumpy, Juveria. No, Juveria, jumpy, and Juveria, juicy. So Juveria is the same, but jumpy and juicy is like different. Okay. So can you see out here? It is invasion over here. Let me check this area now. Okay, I'm so horrible at drawing a circle also. Can you see that? Shruti ma'am will give me a 0 on drawing in exam. Oh, Shruti ma'am, or should I say Aparna ma'am? Okay, so you have invasion. So I and both words are same, okay? So you have invasion and you have invade. Terrible and terrify. Creation and create. So are you understanding? The meaning would be same, similar lines, okay? It wouldn't be same, but it's on the similar lines, okay? But the word, the prefix is different and the suffix is different. Are you getting it, everybody? Can you all give me more examples? Can we make more words like that?
Ma'am, writer and writing.
Okay, excellent, excellent, excellent.
Ma'am, singer and singing.
Okay, yes.
Ma'am,
Dancer and dancing.
Okay.
ma'am, game and gaming.
Yes, Mohammadi, I expect that from you. Gamer and gaming. What else? Come on. Give me, now I'm just getting ing, ing. I want some other words also, like terrible and terrifying.
Horrified, horrific.
Fantastic, Mohammed. Excellent.
Simplify, simplify and simply. Creation.
Ma'am,
Well done.
irritated. Ma'am, irritated.
Yes,
Irritated.
irritate. And Abdullah, that is so perfect for you. Irritate. You really irritate me. Irritate and irritating.
Creation. Ma'am,
Yes. Umar, excellent. Yes, Aisha Aga, Aisha Kazi Juveria. Okay. Go on if you all can think of. Oh, fantastic. Backstabbing and that's
identity. Identify and identity.
Okay, identifier and okay. You know what now, Humaira? For this one, okay, will I write? Okay, add IFI or ATE over here to make a word. You have the beginning of the word. Now you have to write the suffix out here. Okay, so you will have to decide what suffix I'm going to put in over here. Okay, whether I'm going to write IFI or I'm going to do ATE. Okay, so Humaira, will it be horrify or horrid?
Ma'am, talk and taco.
Okay. Humaira, will it be horrify or it will be horrid? Horrify. Okay, you're muted. Can you unmute yourself and say horrify, please?
Horrify.
Excellent. Okay, Aisha Aga. It will be what? For the second one. What will be the suffix? IFI or AT?
Horrified.
No, I'm talking about the second one to Aisha Aga.
Educate.
Fantastic. Okay. Hamza. Which is the third one? Is it OPER or is the word? What is the suffix? IFI or ATE?
Ma'am, can I say?
No, I want Hamza to say, please. Please, Mohammadi. You know, you become very active going in.
Ma'am, I'm
You're
Aisha.
answering all the questions.
Ma'am,
now.
I'm Aisha.
No, I want, oh, sorry, Hamza. Go on. OPER. So what will it be, Hamza? Will it be ATE or IFI? What is the suffix given over there?
Ma'am, can I answer?
I can't hear you, Hamza. Could you unmute yourself, please?
Ma'am, ATE.
Fantastic. It would be operate. Yes. Aisha Kazi for the fourth one.
Identify.
Okay. Hamdan?
Irritate.
No, that should be for Abdullah. He irritates me a lot, right? You know? Okay. And Anas for the sixth one, please.
Simplify.
Okay. Simplify. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, I want each one of you to make a new word. That means here the suffix is given. I want you to change the suffix. Like for navigate, instead of navigate, I'm using navigation. So come on, guys, hurry up. This is very, very simple.
Ma'am, cultivate, cultivated.
No, you have to use ION. The suffix is written over there. For each word below, make a new word
Cultivation.
from the same word
Cultivation.
family. Yeah.
Calculate, calculation.
Okay.
Calculation. Calculation.
Yes, Abdullah. Yes. Okay. Go on.
Regulate, regulation.
Okay, Juveria.
Acceleration.
Juveria.
Evaporation.
Anticipation.
Juveria.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Okay, I'm asking Juveria. I have so many Juverias.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Tell me.
Ma'am, which one?
Sixth one.
Evaporation.
Well done. Okay. Mohammadi, eighth one.
Ma'am, agitate, agitation.
Okay. Rashta, ninth one.
Anticipate, anticipation.
Oh, fantastic. Okay, who else is left to answer now? You all were answering, yelling in my ear.
Mummy.
Who's me?
Ma'am, Aisha.
Aisha Aga. Okay, Aisha Aga, 10th one. The 10th one out here. So regulate, you need to remove the TE, the suffix, and add ION. So what will it be?
It will be
Go on.
regulate.
Regulate.
T.
Regulate is there, right? So now I need to remove the
T
suffix,
and put
ION.
yeah, ION.
So what will it be, Aisha?
Regulate.
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 Okay. So how will I spell it? R-E-G-U.
REGULION.
Okay. So would that be a word, or would if I add ION after T, will that be a word? If I remove this E.
Regulate, then it will be regulation.
Regulation. Regulation. So instead of E.
Regulation is a word, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Aisha. See, I did it correct.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have one.
Yes, yeah.
Lion and lade. LIONLADE.
No. That would be making it very different, because remember, the word should be from the same family. The word family should be same. Only the suffix should differ. Okay, like say calculate. Calculation. Yes.
Iron and iron man.
Oh my goodness. Again, we come back to Avengers. Captain Underpants and Captain America, right? We can say that. Okay, you can do that, right? So any other Avengers you think we can have a different suffix to it?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Black
Mom.
Widow and Black Widow Spider.
Yeah, Black Widow and Black Spider. Okay, well, they are different families. So this was just for fun, okay? Don't tell your parents we are learning like this, because they'll be like, "Ye kya seekh rahe ho aap Golden Sparrow mein?" Okay, now going to see, I want you all to choose.
Red Hulk and Green Hulk. Ma'am,
Yes?
Red Hulk and Green Hulk. Green height.
Okay. Green Gatsby and Green Hulk. Okay. Now I want you all to choose 3 of the iron words, right? I-O-N. The words which we ended with I-O-N over here, which you all did. And you make a sentence out of it. So you could use situation, anticipation, and calculation, any 3 words, and make a sentence of your own. I want you to write it and then tell me.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Yahya, go on.
My calculations are correct. Congratulations, Abdullah, for winning this.
Ma'am, I made my sentence, ma'am.
He is talking. Just a minute. Yeah, go on.
Congratulations, Abdullah, for winning this race. And
okay, so you use congratulations for, and what else you have?
Calculate and evaporation.
Okay, so how will you do it? How will you make the entire sentence? Yahya?
Ma'am,
all 3 words in one sentence only. In one sentence.
Ma'am, can I tell my sentence?
Yes, Bhabati, go on.
Ma'am, this situation is very intense. If the water evaporates, it will rain very. It will rain. It will rain very heavily, and we can't go to the party. I have calculated. I have calculated the time in which we can reach there.
Okay, that is good. That is very, very good. Excellent, Mohammed. Okay, we need to, but we need to fine tune it more. You know, there were some loopholes. It's okay. First attempt, excellent. Anybody else wants to go? All 3 of them. Any 3 words you can select. Aisha Aga, Kazi, Humaira.
Ma'am, we have to make 3 different sentences or one.
Ma'am, can I say?
Actually, I would prefer one sentence, but if it's okay, you can make it 3 different sentences also because this is your first time. Yes, Juveria, go on.
Can I say?
Yes, Juvi.
I have to solve this situation. My evaporation is happening and my calculations are correct.
Ah, okay. No, please don't evaporate, you know, Juveria. Okay, good going. Yes, Hamza, you want to say something? Come on, guys. You can make separate sentences also. It's perfect. Separate sentences also.
A lion. Ma'am, if I don't put I-O-N, is it okay? Ma'am, a lion has a lot of hair on his head and a lioness does not.
Ma'am, can I say?
Lion.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you, Hamza. Please go again.
Ma'am, is it compulsory to make a sentence or you can make 2 words?
Ma'am, can
Oh, see, you have 3 words. With that 3 words, you have to make sentences, okay?
Can I say?
Yeah, it's not can I, it's may I. Yes, you may.
I was navigating in a ship and Alfia ma'am's calculation was wrong. So she set us in a very big situation.
Oh my God. You know, if you have Alfia ma'am sessions coming next, please do tell this. And yes, her calculations are wrong. Really bad. Okay. Who else would like to go?
Ma'am,
Yes, go on.
I anticipated in a navigation ship, but the crewmates agitated me.
You're always agitated, Abdullah. So you don't need crews to agitate you. Okay. Well done. Yes, come on, guys. Who else would like to go? Yahya, Rushda is typing. Humaira, you want to try making a sentence?
No, ma'am.
Please. No, you have to try. You can type it also, okay?
Do I have to like type it in the chat or should I say it?
No, you say it because.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah. I think Rushda is going next. Then you can say Aisha Aga. Go on,
Sorry,
Rushda.
sorry, there's regulations against playing Among Us, she said. And at that moment, all my kids were affected by evaporation of blazing hot agitation in this situation.
Okay. Again, you go into evaporation. Well done, Rushda. You know, I like that touch of humor which you always have and the intensity as well. Very good balance. Yes, Aisha Aga, you can go. Wow, Mohammadi, nice foodie.
I am in a very bad situation. I hope I find my navigation and maybe it will help if I get my calculation correct.
Wow. Very well done, Aisha Aga. Lovely, lovely. Excellent. And very
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Aisha Kazi.
My car's acceleration is broken and I'm in a very big situation. I think I can fix it with my calculation.
Oh, Aisha, always the sensible one, Aisha Kazi. Always. Even in your exams, the answers and everything, very sensible. Brilliant. I love it. Okay, Anas, come back to me. Anas Bhaijan, where are you? Is that Anas? Yes, come on, make a sentence, please.
And I am typing.
You're typing? Okay. Hamdan,
Ma'am, congratulations, cause you're gonna get agitated and you're going to get in a situation.
so you're saying a congratulations in advance. You know, Hamdan, I expect that only from you. Exactly.
Because
And
if you do something, you will get really agitated and you'll get in a situation.
yeah, and you always do that to your moms and your teachers, right? Fantastic. Okay. Yahya, where are you? Please,
Ma'am,
Yahya.
what did he say?
Hamdan, he's congratulating me because I'm going to get agitated. Right?
No, ma'am, not you.
No, I understood. I understood the, you're supposed to
can you
understand
say
the hidden
sentence again?
message. Yes, please say it again, Hamdan.
Congratulations, cause you're gonna get agitated and be in a situation.
Congratulations on your agitated. No, we'll have to use the word agitation because I want everything with the suffix ION. So congratulations on your agitation, which will lead you to a worse situation. Okay.
Can we use other eon words?
No, as of now we do this, then we can come up with other eon words. Okay. Yahya, where are you?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, of course. Fantastic. I can see you as well.
Congratulations, everyone. We all our calculation was correct in this situation of rainy season.
Ooh, okay, like a true captain, huh? Well done, well done. Okay, Hamza,
Yes, ma'am.
please make a sentence.
Sentence of these three words.
Any three words you can select, but they should end in ION. You heard everybody, right? Their sentences.
Yeah.
So please say that.
Ma'am, it can even be a funny sentence.
It has to be funny when it comes from us, right? Rights are always funny.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Congratulations, precipitation, evaporation, condensation, train station.
My goodness, Hamza, that was not an exam of dictation. You had to make a sentence out of
Yes.
it.
Ma'am, in our class, Ajit taught us this.
Okay, Anas, you go next and then we end the session, Anas.
Ma'am, I know my brother is smart.
Yes, of course he is. Everybody is very smart out here. Yes, Anas?
Yes, ma'am. My parents congratulate that you are selected in cricket. Then when I came home after playing cricket, I calculate the score and I calculate the score and the next day I felt in a bad situation.
Anas, congratulate. No, it will be congratulation because I want everything which is ending with ION. Okay. And then I need what? Calculation. So ION. Okay. Great going. All right. Now, you know what? I'll have to give you assignment. Okay. Right. We saw the way we read today about Vikings. Okay. And it was a non-fiction writing. Okay. So you had different paragraphs. In the first paragraph, you saw where the Vikings came from. Okay, can you see here? Paragraph 1. Everybody just pay attention for 2 minutes and then we're ending the session. Where the Vikings came from. Paragraph 2 is difficulty of life at home. What they found difficult. Okay, they couldn't do much of farming because of mountainous areas. Paragraph 3 was about longboats, then trading boats and how far they traveled and how they settled in new lands. Okay, fantastic. You understood how we wrote the non-fiction, how we wrote factual. Okay, so now I want you all to write about any one character.
Assignment.
Yes, assignment you have to write. Okay, so you
Can you put this in Google Classroom?
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do
Can
it.
you repeat, please?
Yeah, you just see, Juwaira, you just understand this right now. I'll put the rest in. Can you see this circle I'm making? I don't know whether it's a circle or a potato. Yeah, okay. Out here, understand how we've given the paragraphs, how we've done the factual writing, how we have explained, right, to the readers about non-fiction writing. I will give you an assignment wherein you will have to do non-fiction writing. So is that okay with everybody? Right? I'll put it on the Google Classrooms. Please check your Google Classrooms. Okay. So thank you very much. I had a great time, everybody. I love your sentences. They were fantastic. Please do not evaporate and agitate me. And Umar, make sure that you tell the sentence to your Alfia ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell one sentence?
Yes, Mohammadi, of course. Let's end with some good humor.
I am in a Hindi dictation. I am in a hard situation.
And there is no way, and no, I'm in lots of perspiration, right? Go on, I'm in lots of perspiration. And I am in a very, yes, go on, Hamza.
I have a lot of tension. Tension, T-I-O-N.
Oh, fantastic. But I have no tension because I'm normal Mohammedation, right, Mohammadi? Bye, everybody. Take care. See you tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.